Welcome to Positive Trader. Apologies for keeping everybody waiting to get the right information about Forex. So I had a little bit of delay. So now, how to really understand the slot size when it comes to Nasdaq. Actually, all the confusion that is happening in there. The slot size, the names of Nasdaq. What do we have to know about these two things? Very important. So the names that we have in Nasdaq, we have US100, we have Ustec, we have Nasdaq, we have NAS100. Those are the names that we have when it comes to Nasdaq. So don't be confused when you see these names in other brokers. It's the same thing, it's the same Nasdaq. When it comes to the slot size, most brokers, they prefer a lot of things. Some they prefer you to start from one slot size. Some they prefer you to start from 0.010. Some they prefer you to start from 0.01. So what is happening here is just a change of psychology. It's the same thing. Slot size is the same. Nothing changes. It's the same. If you wanna, for example, if you wanna open a 5 slot size in IC market, it means that in other broker you'll be opening 0.05. It's the same thing. If you're gonna open one slot, it's the same thing as opening 0.01. I believe I'm clear there. It's simple. Another example, if you're gonna open 10 slot size, it's the same thing as opening 0.10. It's the same thing, just a change of psychology. So understand the slot size should not be scaring you that what if I'm opening on 5 slot size? A slot size should not scare you. What if I'm opening 5 slot size? Shouldn't I be opening 0.01 at least so that I can risk well? No, it's the same thing. Don't get confused. Don't get to be scared. It's the same thing. It's just a change of psychology, making you to feel like you are opening less slot size, but in reality it's the same as opening 5 slot size. It's the same as opening 10 slot size 0.10. It's the same thing. I believe I've made it very clear there. If you have anything to add or ask me, don't forget to leave a comment in the section below. I really appreciate you being here. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share the videos with others. Be blessed. And also don't forget to follow me on Instagram.